puis ça qu'a fait bienvenue sur la belle ça, bienvenue sur notre blog, si que nous pouvons la belle ça. Et dans chaîne ça guys, c'est trois bagages mais fais-moi pour faire pour encourager. Premièrement c'est abonner, deuxièmement c'est partager, troisièmement c'est un petit là, un petit commentaire. Parce que m'a prend temps pour moi lire et m'a répondre commentaire. Yes guys, effectivement ça c'est après Thanksgiving. Nous avons dormi avec sweatpants qui étaient sous les yeux. On dépasse un bon petit temps, guys, avec un paquet haïtien que nous rencontrons là pour la première fois. Donc, nous avons l'église dans la location ça tout et que nous planifions pour athlètes pour nous dans le mois qui vient pour nous checker l'église pour voir comment que ici on nous pour l'église qui fait bâti, les High Transformation in Austin. Là, so yeah. Hey, yo, you brushing your teeth, buddy? The only thing is this is not your toothbrush. Let me show you your toothbrush. That one is your toothbrush. That one. Comme il y a de l'eau qui gaspille là pour bosser dans ça. Bonjour Zoe. Don't drink this water, Zoe. Yeah. Do not drink the water from the sink. Zoe, if you need water, go get a gallon, a bottle of water. Okay? Put this down. I said do not drink the water from the sink. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Can I help you, Zayden? Can I help you brush your teeth? Yeah, you do like this. No. Yes, that's how you do it. Yes. You toujours connais, comme ces petits gars, mon mieux, nous connais. Chi. Zoe? Fait que le guys. Fait que je dis, c'est Black Friday. Guys. Histoire Black Friday, moi, mal Black Friday une seule fois. Je me dis, je ne vais pas faire ça encore. Parce que Black Friday, pour aller, on passe un paquet de temps. Et vraiment fatigué. Je me dis, je ne vais pas faire encore. Et puis Black Friday, il y a un sale, c'est vrai. Mais là, vous regardez comme si les bagages que mettez dans le sale, ce n'est pas bonne qualité, vraiment vrai. Vous comprenez? So, je vais faire Black Friday online, si je besoin de bagages. Je vais faire dans la Black Friday, je fais. Waiting on a link now. Yeah, nous allons mettre Christmas sweat shirt moi sur moi-même. C'est Christmas season qu'on y a. Black Friday, Thanksgiving fini. So yes, guys. Oh. Guys, nous avons 1000 vues dans la vidéo hier là. Je suis vraiment content pile, guys. Bonne vue. Abonnez, guys. Not 19 minutes toujours. Anyway, guys, so. Okay, so what do we need for dinner? Les gens de marché gagnent toujours écrit ça que nous avons besoin. Et quoi ça, Steve? Il est très organisé. C'est pas là. I think, like just the difference between me and you. When I go to the store, I don't know what I go to the store. When I get to the store, I'm like asking myself, what do I need? My mother tells me I'm besoin de m'arriver dans le store.
That's the reason that I like doing grocery shopping, because I'm like, okay, what do we need? And I just go in and get the stuff, and I don't have to worry about wandering around.
Yeah. You écrit dans téléphone, he has a planner, thing like that. Nous pour aller Utah le 5 décembre. So, dans quelques jours, jeudi 29. Moi peut-être 30, pas vrai? 30, moi peut-être 30. Imagine-toi, nous pour aller le 5. Nous pas besoin d'acheter un paquet de bagages. I feel like as far as snack, we're good.
That's why I was just double checking on. We need juices, we need yogurts, we need pouches.
Yeah, just get one box of those water, sugary for the kid.
The Capri Sun. Waters or whatever they're called.
I think one pack should be enough. Yep. And then green juice.
Yep.
And egg, I think we should be good on
we're fine on eggs.
eggs.
We got 30 last time. If you've gone through them all by now, it's either Zayden broke a bunch or you got a lot more eggs than I thought you were.
So we are good. Baba's in It's on encore. We're good on rice.
Good on rice.
Jenny, can you show me how fast you go on your bike? Go fast, 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 fast. Do we need to get a pair of tennis shoes for him? Because he has, the green one is getting too close.
Yeah.
He's experimenting. Yes, you go so fast, Gugu.
Crashing the things. It's itchy. Why is it itchy? Oh.
Go, 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 go. Whoa, you're going so fast. I think for him to get used to this bike, we need to hide this one. That's what we don't need it.
Well, we're going to wait. Well, we're not going to fully transfer that.
Yeah.
We got Zoe or new one, but.
Whoa. Okay, guys. So everything is for the Chris. I feel good vibe today. I'm so happy today.
America wants you to have all the kids.
Yeah.
But does not give you any help to raise them.
Any help to raise them at all. Ma ham won't pay you seriously. Force moun mette loi, comment pour faire petit monde, comment pour faire bagay. Et puis, you haven't born même. Seriously. They've been trying to give you law how to have sex. One? Parce que gay is Republican support contraceptive.
Some of them are not.
No, exactly. Basically telling me comment to do ce bagay. Et puis, you haven't born paquet egg.
There's a high enough percentage of them that do not. That
you're pas supposé plan contraceptif. You're pas bon assurance pour payer chez vous assurance. On m'a dit pas d'assurance pour tout le monde aux États-Unis. On a un gros problème. Vous voulez contrôler dans tout bagaille. Oh, fait tout le monde, mais vous va pas aider. Canada, les amis qui font IVF pour free. Assurance pour free. Ou bien moins cher. Ici, hein? Et là, on fait l'argent. Okay, guys. So, bon, my reaction, okay? You know what I mean? Food. So when I go to the store, it doesn't need to pick up food.
You have 3 of them. You want 3 of them? Wow.
Is it orange?
This one right here?
No.
Okay. Can you get your underwear on though?
No.
I think you can.
Zoe.
No.
Come on, Zoe. Come on.
Rawr.
Only eat the cheese stick.
Cheese.
Don't ask you for more. Deal? Deal?
Deal.
Okay.
Rawr.
I realize say, oh my goodness, oh guys, mais ça m'a dit nous, ti moun yo mayen tout bagay. Nou wè clock sa yo. Moun sa yo pa jwa bagay. Moun sa yo pa jwa avec bagay. Yo pa joué avec bagay ancien sa yo, bagay ancien sa yo, c'est collection et oh my, qui côté ça té? Oh my goodness. Bon Dieu, okay. Zedit, you're not supposed to touch this. No, baby, we cannot touch this. You broke it. No, you're not supposed to touch it, Zedin. You're not supposed to touch it. You broke it. That's not good. It's not good. Say sorry, Mama.
keep saying sorry, but you keep touching things. You're not supposed. Don't touch those things. Do not break them. Okay. Zoe, come on. Let's go inside in the room, please. Oh, guys. Franchement, sincèrement, quel que soit l'autre bagaille, yo m'aime te dire que m'a dégagé. Yo passé au cadeau moi déjà, des cabinets pour manger. Kounia, mais si on m'a pas fixé clock ça. Je que me dis non ça c'est bagaille ancien. Oh my goodness. Go sit on the couch, please. Yes. No. Okay, what about we get ready? So we are ready when Daddy come back. So we are ready to go to the store.
Okay, doors.
Okay, yeah. You want to go to the car? Then I watch you.
Okay, door.
Okay, watch you. Say okay, watch you.
Okay, watch you.
Oh, so we, yeah. On va s'habiller. Viens. Ok, arrête pour le mourir, guys. Ça on déblie maintenant plan jeudi. Playtime. Il y a toujours à jouer, guys. Toujours. Bah, il y a 30 minutes de temps là pour jouer. Pour être capable de retirer quelques énergie. Énergie, tout le monde ça autour pour moi là-bas. So, playtime.
Don't you know, girl, you're cold. I'm about to lose control. You know it's tied by souls. More than worth your weight. You go, don't you know, girl, you're cold. I just might lose control. You know it's tied by souls. More than worth your weight. You go, don't you know. What you keep forwarding my calls for? You know that's uncalled for. No matter the occasion, I'ma do what it calls for. Ain't too proud to beg. What you want me to crawl for? Told you I was.
How we are basically browsing to see what sale you guys have on appliances, basically. So
Yeah, it'll be all over there.
okay.
I promised you I won't fall short. Spending time and money on just so we bond more.
So I looked at this morning, it's got 27.2 cubic feet of storage area. This one right here, this LG, has 26.
27, 26. Okay. Yeah, that's the thing. So you have that massive thing, but in reality,
Yeah, but this one's a lot deeper. So like this is probably.
okay. Oh, be careful.
Oh, this is 29 inches deep. The other one's like 26.
Okay.
So it's like a couple inches deeper.
Yeah, it's deeper. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I mean, this is where you're gonna get the.
Yeah. So you could go with something like this instead.
Yeah.
Like you have more cabinetry space, just not as.
Yeah.
Right.
More what, baby?
All right.
We are looking at fridge. Which one do you like?
All right.
Huh? Which one do you like, Zayden? Okay, let's keep looking.
I'm not sure what the storage area is on this one, but
Maybe-
there's a 42-inch wide one.
Oh, okay. 42 would be nice.
That's 24 cubic feet.
Ooh, that's 10K though. Yeah,
when
but
you
that
get-
would
When
perfect.
you get built-ins, they can get pricey.
Oh, that's a built-in
Yeah,
one.
that's a built-in.
Current inch. Guys, so nous sortis dans Best Buy, nous sommes checké et frigidè parce que jeudi 27 nous presque dans it's Black Friday this week, right? Black Friday vendredi, so nous sommes checké pour voir est-ce qu'il y a bon sale. So konya nous allons manger, guys, parce que nous beaucoup manger le temps. What time is it, like 8 or 9, I don't know. So nous sommes checké gagnant devons manger Indian food, but you fermé pour Thanksgiving là. So nous pour aller dans Fireball Cafe.
What you keep forwarding my calls for? You know that's uncalled for. No matter the occasion, I'ma do what it calls for. Ain't too proud to beg. What you want me to crawl for? Told you I was with it. I was said you was all for it. You know I belong to the pussy on all fours. Supportive type behind you, especially when you on all fours. Arguing while I drive, hopping out, slamming car doors. Standing on the things I promised you I won't fall short. Spending time and money on you just so we bond more. His and hers, all world, baby, I'm all yours.